Jackman-Willett, 1696. Jackman-Willett House, built in 1696 by Richard Jackman, son of James Jackman, the immigrant. The plaster on the wall is made from lime taken from the Devil's Den. Wow, what a joy to see the history of this country. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, look at this, folks. And the compass. The time. Heads of family who settled in Newbury previous to 1700. Wow. Jackman's house. What's there? What a joy, folks. And I was here. It's closed. Fantastic. Cool. I guess it's temporarily closed for the summer, maybe.